Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed for y'all in so long, and I have Lauren here in case you guys see me talking to somebody, because you're gonna see her because she's about to help me do my hair. I decided that I wanted to put some braids in my hair. Lauren said that we should do like some big chunky braids, and I was like, yes, because I want something quick but really cute, and I just want to see how it looks. I need to blow my hair out, and then we're gonna get started. The hardest part is gonna be parting, but thank God I have somebody else to help me. Y'all, let's take it the weekend up in free. Let me give a little decorations together. Give me decorations. Okay, let me sit back down. Let's sit back down. Let's sit back down. We're ready to blow it out. I just want to be dramatic. Hair is about 40% dry. It's still like really wet. I didn't like squeeze the towel or anything. I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press collection. That's how it looks. Don't talk about my nails. We're still doing them. I did half of my nails this morning. I'm gonna finish the rest later. Don't worry about it. But I want to try out this blowout cream because I feel like it's gonna be nice. I love Design Essential stuff. I haven't used it in a while though, so I'm kind of excited to use it on my hair again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little plait out. And while it's still damp, go ahead and put probably like a few squirts of this. I think I want to do like 3 pumps on the section because I don't want to put too much product on my hair. Even if it is a blowout cream, I still don't want it to be super heavy. Let's go ahead and detangle this section. Oh my God, I haven't done a video like this in so long, friend. You missed me because I missed you. But y'all should be watching my vlog so you can stay tuned. And I do a little bit of hair stuff in those videos, so y'all should watch it. This is all I'm saying. You should watch it, friend. So I'm gonna put this little section up. And let's get to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I'm gonna be using my Dyson. Old Faithful. Some of the buttons are a little faded, but it's all right. It does what needs to be done. I like to put it on the highest airflow, but the second heat setting. And then once I'm like completed with like my whole entire head, I go in with another pass all over on the highest heat setting, but like super quick because it's super duper hot, y'all. You don't want to really play with that too hard. Don't play with it too much. So let's get started. Can't take care of you like this. Now you're lost. And I am using my comb attachment. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. Oh, and I did cut my hair. For anybody who's gonna say, girl, you cut your hair? Yes, I did. My hair is blown out. If you hear any growling, that's Sky. She looked at me like, nice and blown out. So now I need my handy dandy partner. Handy dandy partner, darling. I need ya. And we're gonna be using Shine and Jam. Y'all already know how this go. Oh, we're doing 10 braids, by the way, y'all. She got some hair started. I tried to help out, but it didn't go so great, so I stopped. We're already sectioned off. It's my time to shine. And I have my Shine and Jam. I'm just gonna get some of that. Ooh, it is tight. Ooh, some thick stuff. I did one. And now I'm doing the other one in the front. So just trying to get all the jam inside, around, comb it through. All that good stuff. Because you want to make sure it's as flat as you need it to be. Or as flat as you can get it. That's that Uber Eats. It's all right. You want to go with the back of the comb like this to get it nice and smooth. And make sure you comb through that. Just like that. See how smooth that is? I'm gonna make sure it's very tight. So I'm just making sure it has a nice grip up there because I want it to be super duper flat.
Like tummy, what's it called? Flat tummy teeth flat.
Yes, like
just like that.
I flat tummy teeth flat.
Just like that.
I want my food outside. All right. I need to
check out these. You don't pull it up on us.
You got a piece for me.
Yep, I got one.
One, put it inside, and I like to just hang it over on whatever is a free one, and then just continue. My little friend happy maker, honey. This shit wouldn't be taking forever if I ain't had nobody to hand me the stuff and separated and stuff. I feel spoiled.
As you should be. You work hard, girl.
I work hard, friend.
You work real hard.
I do be.
You got to let the people know.
Yeah. Working and playing. That's all we do.
Yeah. You don't feel like work. These about to be cute. What y'all think? I think they about to be real cute.
I hope so.
That one already getting.
It's giving thick thighs, say lie.
Thicker than a snicker, honey.
Day 26. They always ask me though, what time is that? How long it took? And I never know. As y'all can see, these don't take long. They big, they thick. Just keep feeding you Gucci. Period poo. Oh, this is giving me some Indian
right? Girl, what you miss with? First you was Dominicana.
Shit,
black and black.
Not Pocahontas now.
Yeah, we gotta go find them.
Okay. Which ones? I'm finna do these on the side.
Yeah.
Okay. And then for instance, she gonna fill me up in the bed.
Fill her up in the bed.
Oh my gosh, you guys. We are finished. What time is it? It's 9:58. Oh. I decided I wanted to do them short. So that's why I have the rubber bands on the ends. And now we need to snip. I want to do like the blunt cut. So that's why I wanted them all to be in the same spot. I'm gonna let you cut the back, Fren. That need to be together.
Cut the front. Are you ready for this?
Yes, leave me a little hair. So yeah.
Right.
So I can have that little rectangle.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no.
They ain't cut. Oh, I knew they was done. They look a little.
Switch it up.
Switch it up. See if they put.
Okay.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, it's cute.
I am cute. I am very cute. All right, you guys. So we've cut them all, and I really like them. They're super cute. Super quick. It is 10 o'clock, and I think I want to get some gold jewels and stuff. But I like it. I like it a lot. Let me give a 360. This is the back. We did one in the middle. So we ended up doing 11. Thank you, Lauren. Lauren just went, she's going to clean up some stuff, but oh my gosh, y'all, I think it's so cute. It looks darker than my hair normally is, which I like. It just like tones it down. I feel like I got black hair right now. I don't know. I don't even feel like I have blonde hair right now. But this looks so good. All right, I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm trying to get back into the groove of sitting down and talking to you guys because I just haven't done it in so long. You know, now I've just been on Instagram. I mean, I'm filming Instagram and TikTok content as we do it. Girl, I be working, okay, for me. But make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I know I never say that, But make sure y'all follow me because I'm trying to give y'all an experience everywhere, darling. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.